pesan.
Apa?
Satu ya.
Nak roti telur satu. Roti telur satu.
Dia satu lah.
Alright, we have teh tarik now for breakfast.
Cash pada.
Kau
baik nak?
Just pick up from here.
Okay, first one. Okay.
Oh, okay. So it seems like it's closed today. Alright. Alright, so I think it seems like today is a closed day, so Sunday they are not opening. So you have to book in earlier in advance before you come here. So I think probably next time we'll come again. Right.
Now we are going to have lunch, and it's a very special place, which is by a river.
Alright, let's do it. Just have a look. Terima kasih ya.
Let's eat.
Let's go. Woof, woof, woof. Okay. Yeah, richiamo. Alright, so we are just searching for a campsite. So this is quite a good campsite.
We found this
And
private
this
place.
is a very quiet campsite out from the main road. And we just met the guy who managed the place. He just told us that we have to call the phone number on the front gate. You see that is the banner outside. I'll try to zoom in. Yeah, that's the banner. So perhaps next time we will come again.